Hi wonderful people, welcome to my channel. The recipe we're going to prepare is delicious fried meat pie. So let's get started. This is salt, curry, thyme and seasoning powder. So we'll be using ginger, potato, onions, carrots, green bell pepper and red bell pepper for the sauce. The vegetables are nicely chopped. So this is the minced beef. To make the sauce, we're going to pour oil inside the pan. And pour the minced beef. Stir and cook on low heat. And make sure it changes color. The color should change from red to brown. Then to be certain that it's properly cooked. Then I added thyme, curry, seasoning, and chopped onions and garlic. Then stir. Make sure you combine thoroughly. Allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. Then I added chopped carrots, potato, and carrots will take a while to cook. Stir continuously and do not cover. So add water and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I added a mixture of flour and water. The flour and water will help thicken the sauce. This step is necessary to avoid sogginess. Afterward, I added red pepper and green bell pepper. Make sure you mix properly. Make sure you continue stirring until there's no form of liquid in the sauce. Now the filling for the meat pie. It's ready. You can as well eat this with pasta, rice, and yam, or any side dish of your choice. So I used melted butter and eggs for the dough. I added 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of baking powder into 4 cups of flour. Combine properly. Add the egg and the melted butter into the flour. Mix properly. Add a little amount of water. Combine thoroughly. Make sure the butter and egg is well incorporated into the flour. Combine till it gets elastic. Add water if it is too hard. Knead the dough on a flat surface. Cover the dough and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Do not add too much filling to the pie to prevent it from leaking out when frying. Put a little piece of the dough into the oil to know when it is hot. Fry the pie on medium heat. The meat pie is ready and it tasted so delicious. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Stay blessed.